Alright, if you are looking at this video, you have chosen to do art today for your digital learning activity. When you log into your portal, it should look something like this. I asked to use Ashton's stuff, so hopefully that's okay. Over here on the side, you see all these wonderful links. You're going to click on this one right here. It says Adobe Express. When you do that, it'll pop up immediately as Adobe. It'll have your name. So I'm logged into my account. It should go ahead and log you in right away. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do some fun things. There's a lot of fun things you can do, and we will go over more of those later. So today we're going to use AI to create an action figure. So here is mine, as you just saw as I opened it up already. I did this while I was getting my certification to be an Adobe educator. So a little bit of adjectives about myself. And this is my action figure. So anytime you need to go back home for any reason, this will automatically save, which is great. And you're going to click on this button right here, this rainbow A. It will automatically save for you. So down here, it's already down here for me. But if we're going to go back to what I was just looking for, oh, action figure, beautiful. To get you guys started, you want to click on this little girl right here. So you're going to click on here, you're going to customize the template. And we're going to go ahead and, yes, if you have no idea what you're doing, this video is not helping you at all. Please, over here, if it doesn't pop up already, the light bulb will open up this. This is the Learn section, and it'll play the video, and it'll walk you through step by step of what you need to do. But anything is clickable, so here you can even change how the text look. You can change all that fun stuff. If you just click on it, you can erase, see a backspace, ta-da. You want to make sure it's, 2025 or 2026 edition, because that's the year we're using it. Make sure you add your name. Make sure you add another little blurb about you down here. The AI part comes in when you click on her. When you click on her, then it should have over here, right here, generate images. So all these should be up here. You're going to click on generate images, and right here it gave you a nice little paragraph. Now I have Grammarly pulled up because it wants proper grammar, but if you're not a female, change it to male. If you want a different version of a doll, change the doll, change the eye color. This is going to have you use a lot of adjectives. So make sure you are using those descriptive words, also known as an adjective, to change what this doll looks like, and then it will pop up as you. Up here at the top, your last part is going to make sure to click on this and change it, please, so it has your name on it. And if you can, please take a screenshot and then turn it into the Google Classroom. I would love to see them, and I would love to see your action figures. I hope this video was helpful. If not, just remember to click on the Learn and watch this video right here. There's a lot of interesting, fun things we can do with Adobe Express, and I hope that you have fun with it. All right, bye!